Bell Home Hub 4000 Installation Guide. Step 1. Connect the fiber cable. Disconnect your old modem, if replacing one, and plug the green fiber optic cable into the fiber port on the back of the Home Hub 4000 until it clicks into place. Step 2. And this is optional, connect an Ethernet cable. If you want the fastest and most stable connection, plug an Ethernet cable into any yellow LAN port. Connect the other end to your PC, console, or router. Step 3. Plug in the power. Connect the power adapter to the modem and then plug it into a wall outlet. The modem will begin booting automatically. Step 4. Wait for the setup to finish. Wait about 5 to 10 minutes. The setup is complete when all three front LEDs are solid white. The display shows fiber internet connected. Step 5. Connect to Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi name, which is the SSID, and the password on the modem label. Connect your phone, tablet, or computer to that network. And then step 6. Test your internet. Open any website or run a speed test. If pages load successfully, your Home Hub 4000 is ready to use. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.